You know what people say when I mention this home? They say, I love that home. 599 Court Street in Auburn, Maine. It's set right in the heart of the city, near schools, hold on.
Hey, come on, let's go check it out.
Okay, hang on a second. Near schools, restaurants, a ski area, Mount Appetite where you can go hiking, and 10 minutes. Come on,
Let's go check it out.
Hang on a second. 10 minutes from Ring Pond where you can go to a public beach and go swimming. This is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath home, 2-car garage with a finished basement. All right, just a second. Hey. Anyway, let's go check it out.